National Weather Service in Wichita has issued a flash flood warning for Sedgwick County in east central Kansas.
National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Oxford County in western Maine, northern York County in southwest Maine, southern Cumberland County in Maine, until 5 a.m. At 4:14 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. The storm was located near Cornish, or 16 miles northeast of Ossipee, and moving east at 40 miles an hour. Some locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, Standish, Hollis, North Windham, Buxton, South Windham, Gorham, Gray, Westbrook, Biddeford, Saco, Cumberland, Old Orchard Beach, Scarborough, Falmouth, Portland, and Yarmouth. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building but away from windows. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772.